Hello Facebook ads people, very short video today. I'm going to talk a little bit about the Black Friday, 2021 Black Friday, which is coming. And I'm doing this video a little bit earlier because I think that you need to be ready and prepared. Before we even talk about technical, I want to address something here. You need to watch your numbers. You need to see how much of a discount or an offer you can give, something that is going to work for you. Don't expect to get more revenue just like that, but expect to have more revenue with less profitability in most cases, but a lot of volume. This is the key here. We are trying to get many sales. We are trying to scale our accounts to higher numbers. And after that, we are trying to maintain this scaling. Black Friday and periods like the period that we have, the lockdown, are called attack periods. We can see many times in the ad accounts that we are having periods that we are trying to spend more and Facebook doesn't let us and we have less ROAS, and this is causing us not being able to scale. Of course, this is an attack period right now and you should use it. Try to use all of this demand so that you can scale your account. And after you scale your account, try to maintain this level of spending, because now Facebook has the message that your account can spend more. And try to do that during the period of the year and then have your next attack period so that you can scale your account. Of course, scaling an account, it means that you're working also in other funnels and in other ways like email marketing and other platforms. But other than that, it's a very important thing for you to be able to scale while you're trying to get more revenue. Maybe you're not going to have the profitability that you want, but you're going to have more revenue and you're going to bring more clients that in the long term, they're going to give you more money because they just learned about your brand and they now within your emails and your retargeting campaigns on Facebook. So, very important note, look at your numbers, okay? Try to understand what is the best offer, something that is not going to look cheap, it's going to attract people. If you don't have the option to do a 40%, for instance, try to do buy two, get one for free, okay? Don't try to do something like 5% and say, this is what I can do. No, this is not the solution. Try to think like a marketeer. Try to think of something that is going to make the people feel like they're getting a very good offer. And now, enough with the theory. Your numbers, you know them, you're going to do the best that you can. Let's discuss a little bit in a technical level. What you should do, you have the offer that you want. You're going to offer 20%. Buy two, get one for free. Buy three, get one for free. Whatever you decide that is working for you. But you need to start your ads earlier. You should not expect to start your ads on Friday or Saturday. Why? We have a new reality now. We have the iOS changes. And I know that you might not be able to see the actual results on your Facebook platform, but these are the results that Facebook is going to optimize towards to. And what you need to do is to adapt. You need to start with something that we like to call Black Friday pre-sale. I can already see that several accounts that I manage, they have better and better results as we move closer to the Black Friday. And this is something, the momentum, that you have to also use. Start your ads with a little bit earlier opening and say pre-sale for Black Friday or Black Friday early opening or whatever you want to say. And be able to gather the data that are going to make your campaigns very strong so that they can enter with enough data within the Black Friday and then the Cyber Monday. Try to keep your texts general so that they can work for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And try to have your ads at least live from Tuesday or even Monday. We also know that we have a late reporting up to 72 hours. So whatever you're going to put there, it might be delayed in the reporting for 72 hours. You want your campaigns to be strong enough when they are going to compete with the campaigns that marketers do like me, and they start earlier in the week and they go in the Black Friday scaled already and with enough data so that they can overcome the competition. And before we close this video, one last thing. Most of the times, what really doesn't help people to scale is the fear. And I get it. I was down that road also when I was starting doing Facebook ads. You are afraid. I know you're afraid to play with bigger budgets and whatever. Black Friday is the best period because it's like a stock market. When it's in high levels, even if you buy something, you're going to have some profits, okay? At the end of the day, what I want to say is this. If you want one period of the time that you are able to test in higher budgets without many consequences, this is the period. Try to scale. When you see good results, scale. Try to scale, try to spend more.
Just do it! Yes, you can!
Because this is a very small period, a very small cycle that you can spend more and you can make money. And don't be greedy. The moment you see something going down, close your ads and say, that's it for me. That's what I took from the Black Friday. Try to play with a little bit bigger budgets and understand how they work, how you can put more ad sets with bigger budgets, how you can actually scale a campaign. And of course, keep in mind that whatever is happening now, don't try to do it later during the year because most probably you're going to lose money. Another period which is coming after this period is the period of the Christmas. So if you want to have a campaign which is going to start now with a very good offer, you might not want to mention Black Friday for this reason. You can have your campaign starting in the middle of November and then fueling it with data during Black Friday with a message and a copy and a creative that it can stay up to Christmas and then enter inside December with optimized campaigns that they are going to have so much data from the previous Black Friday period and they are going to take you up to the Christmas period, which we know that it's also a very good period for accounts in terms of spending. And after 25 until 31, don't spend, don't listen to Facebook talking about the Q5 as they call it, because this period is not going to be good for your results. So to recap, because I know that I'm talking a lot, find your numbers, see what kind of offer you can give. Number 2, and don't make it look cheap, okay? Number 2, try to start your ads for Black Friday a little bit earlier, Monday, on Tuesday, so that you can enter strong with a lot of data and you can start scaling immediately during the Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Number 3, try to create some campaigns earlier in the middle of November that they're going to have a general message and you can actually have very good results during the Black Friday and they are going to stay for a longer period up to the Christmas period. I hope you like the content. I know it's not super visual, with things that I can show, but these are my thoughts about Black Friday. These are the things that you should do right now with the new iOS changes, and I'm going to see you in another video. I'm not going to say that this is a short video because it's not short after all.